Sometimes the most surprising moments in nature aren't the struggles or the hurts, but the quiet acts of kindness. Across species, and even in the wild, animals have been known to do something extraordinary. To adopt and care for the young of others. Today, we're exploring several true stories of cross-species adoption, from lionesses raising antelopes to cats nursing squirrels. Let's begin.
Fact 1. The lioness and the baby antelope. In a national reserve in Kenya, a lioness baffled wildlife researchers. Instead of hunting a newborn antelope, she adopted it. She guarded the tiny antelope, nuzzled it, and even let it sleep beside her. For days, she chased off predators and went without food so she wouldn't leave the calf alone. Scientists are still unsure why she did it. Some believe she had recently lost her own cubs, while others think the maternal instinct simply overpowered the instinct to hunt. Whatever the reason, the lioness chose gentleness in a place where you would least expect.
Fact 2. A dog who raised a tiger. At a zoo in Thailand, a newborn tiger cub was rejected by its mother. With no milk and no warmth, its chances of survival were fading. Until a golden retriever named May stepped in. May had recently given birth to puppies, and she accepted the tiger cub as though it were one of them, nursing it, cleaning it, and wrapping her body around it for warmth. The tiger grew up, surrounded by dogs, learning their habits, wagging its tail, responding to whistles, and playing far more gently than most tigers its age. It wasn't just survival, it was maternal love.
Fact 3. A dolphin adopts a whale calf. Off the coast of New Zealand, researchers observed a bottlenose dolphin swimming alongside a baby pilot whale. The calf was clearly not hers, yet she stayed with it for more than half a year. Dolphins are intelligent and social, but this was unusual even for them. The dolphin appeared to raise the orphaned whale calf as if it were her own. Despite the difference in size and species, they travelled, played, and rested together. A chosen family drifting together through open water.
In a Russian village, a family rescued a group of orphan squirrels and brought them home. Their house cat had recently given birth, and to everyone's surprise, she immediately began nursing the squirrels as if they were kittens. She cleaned them, cuddled them, and purred softly as they burrowed into her fur. The squirrels adapted too, kneading with their tiny paws, curling against her belly, and even purring back. A small family that nature didn't design, but somehow fit perfectly.
Fact 5. A cat who adopted ducklings. In Ireland, a farm cat surprised her owners by doing something almost impossible. When 3 newborn ducklings wandered into her barn, she carried them gently back to her own nest and adopted them as her own. Instead of seeing them as prey, she nursed them alongside her kittens, curled around them, and kept them warm. Farmers watched in disbelief as the tiny ducklings nestled against a mother who should have hunted them. But for reasons we may never fully understand, she chose to protect them instead. A small, tender reminder that sometimes instinct can bend and kindness can bloom in the most unexpected places.
In the Indian city of Erode, passers-by watched as a monkey carried a tiny stray puppy in its arms. The monkey groomed the pup, shielded it from stray dogs, and even shared its food. The pair became inseparable. The monkey guarded the puppy like a human mother would. Scientists have documented similar cases of monkeys caring for kittens, squirrels, and even abandoned baby goats. In the social world of primates, empathy sometimes rises above instinct.
Fact 7. Humans aren't the only ones. In zoos, farms, and sanctuaries, cross-species adoption is surprisingly common. Dogs raise cheetahs, pigs nurse orphaned kittens, horses adopt baby goats. But these moments happen in the wild too. When food is abundant, or tragedy leaves a young animal alone, sometimes another creature steps in. Not because of instinct, but because something deeper takes hold.
These stories move us not just because they're unusual, but because they remind us that care, love, and compassion are not uniquely human. A lioness choosing to protect an antelope, a dolphin raising a lost whale, a house cat cuddling a litter of tiny squirrels. They show us that family can be chosen, that kindness can cross species, and that nature, despite its harshness, has room for tenderness. Sometimes the wild isn't wild at all. Sometimes it surprises us with gentleness.
If this story brought you a moment of calm or wonder, feel free to like or subscribe for more gentle stories from the natural world. Until next time, stay curious and stay kind.